you ever feel like your plants are not living up to their full potential? That's often a soil issue, because soil isn't just dirt, it's a living ecosystem and the foundation of healthy plants. It's how your plants get water and essential nutrients to grow. In nature, healthy soil begins with insects. Here's how we do it. We go out and collect food waste that would otherwise go to a landfill. Turns out, this is the insect's favorite food, so they eat it voraciously. All that's left is pure gold. Golden bug shit, otherwise known as frass. Frass is loaded with essential nutrients your plants need to grow. But here's the best part. Inside every larva is an entire ecosystem of beneficial microbes that turn your soil into a living ecosystem. These microbes help the plants get essential nutrients and protect them against pests, bacteria, and fungus, just like in nature. We've been selling frass to local farmers with great results. They have healthier plants and are able to use less chemical and synthetic fertilizers. Now we want to make it available to you for your houseplants and home gardens. This campaign will allow us to purchase all the materials to package and send it directly to you so that you can revive your soil using nature, not chemicals.